In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to achieve a captivating background blur effect in Photoshop 2023. To start, select the Object Selection tool and simply click on the Select Subject button. Once your subject is selected, right-click on it and choose Layer via Cut. Make sure to also select the background layer for the next steps. Now choose Select Subject once more. Navigate to the Select menu and look for Modify and then Expand. Here, I choose a value of 15 pixels and click OK. Proceed by right-clicking the subject and selecting Fill. Within the Contents drop-down menu, choose Content Aware and confirm by clicking OK. Next, go to the Filter menu and select Blur, followed by Box Blur. This is where your creativity comes into play, as you can adjust the blur effect by manipulating the radius slider. Once you are content with the result, click OK. And there you have it. You have acquired the skills to create a captivating background blur in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for more valuable tutorials.